Marrying Mr. Darcy is a simple, very entertaining game that's a nice mixture of strategy, luck, and laughs. Let me show you how to play. First, the suitor cards are shuffled and laid in the order they're pulled so all the ladies can see what attributes they need to acquire to be a perfect fit for the man at the top of their list, and for as many suitors as possible in case she doesn't get her first choice. You put the character cards on one side of the row of suitors and the event cards on the other, and then deal 3 character cards to each player. The character cards include virtues you will need to attract a suitor, such as wit, beauty, and reputation. Then you choose your heroine. The person who rolls highest goes first, and so on until every player has a lady. There is some strategy in deciding who to be. You'd think Elizabeth would be the obvious first choice, but there are strategy advantages with some of the other ladies that are tempting as well. The goal of the game is to get the most points. You get points in 2 ways. By collecting character traits, the number in the upper right-hand corner are victory points, and by marrying the man of your dreams or settling for a less desirable suitor who keeps you from becoming an old maid. You can also get a few points as an old maid if you roll a good number at the end. Gameplay begins as follows. Each turn you choose an event card and read it aloud. These vary wildly from simple, you play the pianoforte beautifully, pick 1 character card and play 1 character card, to party cards where each player rolls to see how well the party goes for them, to a devastating elope with Mr. Wickham card that wipes out all your reputation points and ties you to Wickham until you regain enough reputation, or forever. If your event card allows you to pick and or play character cards, you pick and play the number specified. As you build up character points, you become eligible to receive proposals from various suitors. But if you have a rival, she may receive a proposal and marry the man of your dreams first. You can prevent this by collecting cunning points, which are kept face down. The person with the most cunning points when the proposal stage starts gets the first chance to receive a proposal or proposals. The proposal stage begins when the last event card is pulled and played. The lady with the most cunning points selects her suitors first. Every gentleman she qualifies for is pulled from the lineup, but they remain in order. The lady has the option to receive proposals from each gentleman by rolling the die for each man in order. If she gets a 4 or higher, the gentleman proposes. She can accept or reject each one in order, keeping in mind that once a proposal is accepted, she can no longer accept others, and once a proposal is denied, she cannot go back and accept it later. If she doesn't receive or doesn't accept any proposals, she will roll for her old maid status and see if she can salvage her lonely life by becoming a governess or perhaps even an author. If, however, you decide you want all or nothing, you can choose to go for only 1 man, as long as you're desirable enough to be proposed to by at least 2. In this scenario, you can add 1 to your die roll, so a 3 or higher will be enough for wedding bells with your beloved. A 1 or 2 will automatically result in old maid status, though, because you won't have any backup options. Then all character points and marriage points are tallied, and the lady with the most points wins. This is sometimes surprising, as an old maid with a ton of character points can beat a married lady who didn't accumulate very much character in her marriage quest. This is an incredibly fun and hilarious game. We've played with men and women, and everyone has a great time and a lot of laughs. We love playing this and hope you will too.